Kenny's Yacht maintenance. Today I'm gonna be trying out my new tool. This is the Ryobi die grinder, right angle die grinder. Normally if I have a job to do any repairs where I got to do any grinding, I would come with the Ryobi cordless grinder. It's much bigger, it makes noisier, and I've been using it, does the job, but hey, today we got new tools on the market, so let me just do a demonstration what the old grinder would do on a job. Eyewear is important. So this is the Ryobi grinder, cordless grinder, and it does the job, but hey, with the new tool on the market, let me see what's the difference. It has this fail-safe trigger, so it will not come on by itself unless you activate it like this. This is what it sounds like. Real sweet. I love it. For bigger projects, I could see myself using this on bigger projects. Small projects, this thing would be super. You know, in and out, you do your grinding, almost doesn't make any noise, real quiet, compact. I love it. So for small projects, I think this is my go-to for small projects. So, Ryobi die grinder, Kenny's Yacht maintenance. So it comes with multiple discs. You could buy that separate on Amazon. This is a 240 pack, a 60 pack. There's bigger attachment here you could buy for it. So this is a 80 grit pack, and basically this just screws on there. You know, this attachment, there's a tool for it. Comes right off. There's a lock-in mechanism here. You know, and you could use separately, separate pieces. Yeah, multiple attachment you could use. So I love this thing. I'm gonna be using it much more. Working smarter, not harder. This is the finished product of my repairs on both ends of this board. Finish. So again, the die grinder, perfect piece of tool to have in your kit. Go ahead and get one. It has 4 different speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, working smarter, not harder.
Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, working smarter, not harder.